Welcome to this lesson on small talk about weather. Weather is one of the most common and easiest topics for starting conversations in English. Whether you're meeting someone new, waiting in line, or just breaking the ice, talking about the weather is a safe and friendly way to begin. You might wonder why people talk so much about the weather. The answer is simple. It's neutral, safe, and everyone experiences it. Weather talk helps create a comfortable atmosphere before diving into deeper topics. It shows you're friendly and approachable, whether you're in a social gathering, at work, or meeting strangers. Think of it as a gentle way to open communication without pressure. There are many everyday situations where weather small talk fits naturally. You might use it when starting a conversation with strangers or colleagues you don't know well. It works perfectly while waiting in line, riding an elevator, or sitting in public spaces. Weather talk is also great for beginning phone calls or video conversations. And if you're meeting someone after a long time, commenting on the weather is a gentle way to reconnect. Let's look at how to actually start these conversations. In the first example, person A says, "Beautiful day, isn't it?" And person B responds with, "Yes, finally some sunshine after all that rain." Notice how person A uses a question tag to invite agreement. In the second example, person A says, "It's really chilly today," and person B agrees by saying, "I know, I had to wear 2 layers this morning." These examples show how simple statements about weather naturally lead to shared experiences. Here are some useful phrases organized by purpose. When asking about weather, you can say, "How's the weather where you are?" Or, "What's it like outside today?" For commenting, try "It's really hot today" or "Such a lovely, cool breeze this evening." When reacting to someone else's weather comment, you might say, "Tell me about it, it's been raining all week," or "Yeah, it's unusually cold for this time of year." Finally, to smoothly change topics, you can say, "Speaking of the heat, how's work going?" Or, "Since it's so nice out, any plans later?" Let's see a complete conversation in action. Person A starts with, "Looks like it might rain again this afternoon." Person B responds, "Yeah, the clouds have been building up all morning." Then person A continues, "I hope it clears up by evening. I've got a game later." Person B replies supportively, "Fingers crossed, maybe we'll get lucky." Notice the natural flow and casual tone. Remember, the goal is to sound natural, not scripted. Keep your voice friendly and relaxed. Here are 4 important tips for making your weather small talk sound natural. First, keep it positive. Avoid endless complaints and maintain a friendly, pleasant tone. Second, relate personally by adding small touches like, "I love this kind of weather," to make the conversation more genuine. Third, don't overdo it. Use weather as a short warm-up, not a 20-minute discussion. And fourth, listen actively. Respond naturally to what the other person says instead of just waiting for your turn to speak. To wrap up, weather small talk is more than just discussing clouds and temperatures. It helps build comfort and opens communication channels between people. It's a polite, simple way to interact when you first meet someone or begin a casual exchange. Remember this idea: a few friendly words about the weather can turn strangers into conversational partners. So next time you're looking for an easy way to start a conversation, just look outside and comment on what you see. Thank you for watching, and happy practicing.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.